Hi friends, just got back from the gym. A lot of people have been asking me about the diet, the supplements that I use basically, and I thought it's good to let you guys know that I'm not taking steroids, and it's just the supplements that are helping me with bodybuilding. And I've used a lot of supplements, and over a period of time I've realized there are some supplements which are important and there are supplements which are just waste of money. So I'll tell you exactly what helps and what you should just ignore and save some money. So let's get down with it because it's quite hot. Just want to get on with it. So let's start with the pre-workout. I take Neuroco from Muscle Tech. In India, it's around 2,200 rupees. I take this on weight training days, not on the cardio days, and it helps me increase my focus, and I see some strength increase as well. I'll explain you later what all is there in this supplement, but this, if you're working 9 to 6 and you're all tired and you're not motivated to go to the gym, this is something which will help you. So yeah, I mean, I take it on the weight training day, which helps. So post-workout, I take whey protein isolate. Damatized is what I'm using these days, Elite Whey. You'll get that for 4,000 rupees. And basically, just 2 scoops post-workout. No need to, spend money on this and keep taking 5 scoops or 10 scoops. It doesn't help. It just adds to those extra calories and you become fat. I have tried that. I became fat, and then I realized it's just post-workout. It helps you repair your muscles. And take this like half an hour after your workout. Within half an hour from your workout. Take pre-workout half an hour before your workout. Apart from this, in the morning I take fish oil tablets. Fish oil tablets basically help me with my joints. I used to experience a lot of joint pain. Since I've been taking fish oil tablets, I've not experienced that pain. And you learn all this from your friends in the gym or your trainers, or you read up on the website, and that's how I learned. I now take this and this really works, so it helps me. Apart from this, in the morning I take these multivitamin tablets, and I take Enna White. So Enna White, I mean, it's nothing but it helps me with recovery and all that stuff, because we need all those minerals and vitamins, and it's good to supplement that because we're doing those heavy weight training and heavy cardio days. So I think we need more than a normal person. So I take 2 tablets a day, 1 in the morning, 1 lunchtime. I take 2 tablets of fish oil as well, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. This you'll get for, this is a 30 tablets bottle. You can get this for 300 rupees. And this one you can get for 1200 rupees. It's a 1200 capsules. So this is, and also with them I take LEF52. LEF52 is basically a liver support capsule, because you are eating so much. Your liver is not designed to digest all of that, so I think a liver support capsule helps you. I don't know how it works because, but everybody says you should take them, so I'm taking them just as a precautionary measure. Apart from these things, one thing that I take once in 3 months, as in 1 month on it and 2 months off it, is Creatine, and I use Muscle Pharma Creatine, and it's a blend of different type of creatines. I'll explain you all that later, but this really works and helps me increase in my strength. I do get that bloated look when I'm on it, and it does retain water, but once I'm off it, then I lose that and I keep the muscle. So this is good supplement, and I'll explain you what all these supplements do in some other video. But anything else from this, like BCAAs, aminos, and all that jazzy stuff you hear about, testosterone boosters, I personally feel that none of them work, ZMA and stuff like that, because I have tried them and I have seen or noticed no change. So I would rather tell you guys to stay away from them. This is all you need to build muscle, and if you keep a good diet and then you're regular to the gym, I think you can gain muscle. I have gained a lot of muscle and lost a lot of fat. I've had transformed from being a normal fat guy to a very slim guy to a muscular fat guy to a muscular guy, and the thing goes on, and you try to achieve what you've not achieved, and your fitness goals keep on going a level up, and you keep learning from a lot of people on internet, a lot of people in your gym, your trainers, your friends, and you try those things, and some help you, some doesn't work for you, because all the bodies are not the same. So let me know, guys. This is what worked for me, and I feel that this should work for everybody. And all this is not steroids; these are natural supplements, and I would recommend everybody to stay away from steroids because they have more side effects than any positive effects. So before signing out, I just want to say that there's no supplementation for hard work. So if you think that you'll take these supplements and sit back home and you'll build muscles, that will not happen. So you'll have to get your ass to the gym every single day and work out. And this has been issued in public interest, so you should read about your supplements on net and get all the information about it before starting using them. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in some other video, and I'll be happy to answer all the questions.